Nababaliw ko na ba sa dami ng kailangan isipin at alalahanin? My thoughts used to be all over the place. Yung mga thoughts and reflections ko nakasulat sa notebook o kaya sa piraso ng papel. Yung mga kailangan ko gawin, nasa Trello. Yung content plan o kaya travel itineraries, nasa Excel naman. Kaya madalas niya nauuwi ako sa, sinulat ko yun eh. Saan ko nga ulit nalagay yun? Pero ngayon, I use the one and only Notion. I've been using this for 4 years both for my personal and professional needs. Ano ba ang Notion? It's an all-in-one note-taking and productivity application that flawlessly syncs information kahit saan mo buksan yung Notion, whether it's on your web browser, desktop, or mobile application. I use it to keep my recipes, grocery list, to-do list, travel itineraries, life goals, journals, content plan, webinar notes, listahan ng suppliers, listahan ng mga inaanak, buong buhay ko, all in one place. I even use it to build my resumes or professional profile, which I can export as a PDF file or publish as a public website without having to purchase domains or hire website developers. This isn't even a boodle because, it's free! So if you're wondering how I keep my sanity and handle the information overload, I keep everything in Notion. Try it! The download link is in my bio. Sana makatulong din sa'yo. Comment your questions if you want to know more about how I use Notion or how it can help you in work and in life. Follow for more tips and tools for organizing your home, work, and life. FYI lang.